Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will see what are the different subscription in Red Hat. So there are mainly two types of subscriptions. One subscription is for the developer. So for example, if you are individual, so individual, it's a developer subscription. Okay. And if it's a company or organization, they want to use Red Hat, then it is basically the enterprise subscription. So Red Hat is basically going with the subscription model. So in the developer, you will get Coast, which is free. Okay, Red Hat, you can get that RHEL free of cost. And it is mainly used for the development purpose. It is not used for the production purpose. Okay, you will not get any official support, and only non-production environment you can use it. So that is the difference between the subscription if you are having individual or developer and the enterprise level. Now, if we talk about the enterprise level, then enterprise level, you are having a production environment support. Cost is paid. You need to pay for that. And there is a official Red Hat support. And you can uh, completely use this licensed version of the Red Hat for your different environments like staging, dev, or test environment. So there will be a customer portal which is given to you. So you can access your support from that customer portal. You can also have a access to the Red Hat satellite, which is having more extensive management tools and compliance and security services. Now, these are the key difference between the paid and the developer subscription. The cost is free for developer. You can see full features, but here it is paid. Intent to use, it is for development and testing purpose only, whereas the enterprise will use for the production and enterprise use. We don't get any support, Red Hat support for developer, and here full Red Hat support will be accessible. What about the software which we are installing? Yes, we can use in the developer as well as in the enterprise edition. There is no product license, but you need to log in with your subscription. But here you will have the full rights. Here we don't have any customer portal, but here you will see a customer portal with a phone number and technical support. So this is all about the developer and the enterprise subscription. We will create a developer subscription in our next lecture. Thank you very much for watching.